Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are having a good day. Today I'm making Cuban roast pork and black bean sliders. These sliders are very easy to make, and if you've watched our Cuban roast pork with mojo recipe video, then this will turn out absolutely amazing. Now let's begin putting these sliders together. You will need a Cuban pork roast with mojo. The video for this recipe is on our channel, so go check that out. You will also need 12 Hawaiian rolls, homemade rolls, or your favorite rolls. Slice them horizontally in half. Arrange bottom half of rolls in a buttered 9x13 baking dish. Shred the pork roast and begin placing it onto each bottom half of roll. You can use as much of the shredded pork as you like for each roll. Now let's cover the pork with black beans. I have 2 cups of homemade Cuban black beans, but you may use one 15-ounce can of black beans. Here are some brands I use. Let's cover the black beans with Swiss cheese. You may use 11 to 12 slices of your favorite Swiss cheese. I'm using baby Swiss. Place the top half of each roll on top of cheese. Let's make the butter topping. In a measuring cup, melt 1 stick 8 ounces of butter. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons dried parsley, crush with your fingers as you add it to the butter mixture, and 2 teaspoons onion powder. Mix well. Pour this butter topping all over sliders. Then cover with aluminum foil and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, uncover and bake for an additional 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes, then serve. Look at how delicious those sliders look. And they're crispy too. All right, let's give them a try. Hold on. Guys, these sliders are amazing. So flavorful. And the cheese complements the roast pork and the black beans so deliciously well. And the bread is so buttery, especially on the bottom. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Enjoy these with some potato chips, plantain chips, or yuca chips. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love these Cuban roast pork and black bean sliders. Don't forget to check out our Cuban roast pork with mojo recipe video on our channel to make this delicious roast pork. Comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.